Welcome back to our VC Talk. So let's quickly look at this. Is today is the 9th January 2025. Let's have a look at what are the opportunities, how is the Nifty trend overall, and what are the opportunities from a trading perspective. Okay, and one important thing we all need to remember, because of the high volatility, VIX has gone up and of options are also had gone up, and it is better to avoid for few days till the market come to stability, right? So let's not jump into trade without even waiting for an opportunity. If you look at the market open here, there's a good negative tone that itself is clearly defined, and we first message in the group today morning clearly says a CE only above this. So the market opened here, came down, and then the last week VWAP tried to push the price down. You look at this one candle, second candle. That's all, right? So if you look at this is somewhere after 10:15, right? The opening range breakout. Same funda yesterday, whatever we discussed. You look at the similarity between yesterday and today. The first half here, open this one, it tried to be in some range. It you look at this candle at 10:20, it break down this and then it went down. Okay, at the end it recovered. But today it opened here. You look at this candle, 10:45. It break down this level and it's not able to come up because today is an expiry, right? A clear PE opportunity, or this is purely a seller's day, right? They sell here, they just evaporate the premium of options, and again they try to act like taking it up, then they bring it down. The guys will lose the money, all small investors here, because this big good candle, everybody expected it will go up, enter, and then they bring it down, wait for some time, kill the option premium here, and then at the last minute they just bring it above 550, right? So all the people who are in the PE below 23,550, it's all become zero, right? So fundamentally this is a seller's day according to me, right? So it's good if you would not have traded this. Okay, so now let's look at few options also, what we have done, how we identified the prices, how we identified the breakouts, and let's try to understand this, because a lot of people find it difficult to identify in a trading opportunities. So many of you are actually saying the levels are working perfect. Okay, you look at exactly the opportunity opened here, it came all the way, it not able to cross, came 1 2 3, almost entire day the trading happened at this level. The levels are working perfectly, but how do I identify the trade, right? So for this I just want to talk about good opportunity here. You look at this, I disabled everything, I enabled only weekly and monthly, and that too with 1 and 1, right? Look at this chart. Now let me go back. Nifty. This is weekly, first day in a week. When the market actually try to be within the week, we need to wait. Don't be in hurry to take a trade. Once there is a clear breakdown, you see this goes down, right? The same way. So the funda is, if it cross any of these levels towards an upside, towards a downside, there is a good trading opportunity. Okay, so a combination of two lanes together will be in a really good opportunity. Okay, now let me show you couple of trading opportunities what we actually captured today, and I'm not going to talk all, maybe 3 or 4 for your understanding. Let's get started with Colpal. I think if you are part of our group, then you would have got this information well ahead of time, right? So Colpal, when you see yesterday itself, we had seen that this crossed this one. It's a good opportunity, but we didn't, because we don't know how the market will be. Today, when the market opened, it closed above this, a good opportunity from a Colpal point of view. From here, it went all the way here. There is a reversal, a slight one candle, and then breakout, and then it went all the way up here, right? This is 784, 2784. It went all the way up to 2935, 150 points up on a call path. It's a good trading opportunity. Okay, now let me talk about one or two more on for example Saint. Okay, so morning it opened on high because yesterday last candle itself is closed above high of the week, high of the month. So it expected to go all the way up. So almost from here, from yesterday's close, it went all the way up to almost like 40 rupees up, then came down. But when you see this acting as in a strong support, two lines together, right? Just now I mentioned it from here, it's a good reversal opportunity, right? Okay. Now you will question me why it reversed here and all. How do I get by enabling more options from here, right? So that's why there is an other levels. So that if you look at this one, I enabled all with the default values. You see this one reversal took a support. It went all the way up, 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 and high of the day there is a reversal, right? So we'll not talk about those at this point of time. We are talking about identifying uh, right opportunities. Let me talk about Marico. One more interesting trading we have done. Okay, morning when the market opened, it crossed low of the week. That's a good opportunity. And then it never looked back. It went all the way up here, even though it came down. A high of the month is supporting, right? Okay. So there is another one in, for example, like, Hindustan Unilever, right? We had traded this also. Market opened here. Yesterday itself is above the low of the week. And then today, when you see in a back-to-back candles, even if you are not confident about this, once this is crossed, from here 2440 it went up to 2473. So almost like 30 rupees up here. Okay. So the last one, Dauber. Okay. So Dauber here, yesterday it crossed the low of the week. We are waiting for this, but yesterday market seems to be kind of in a flat. Today also market is in the negative, but this momentum you notice when this level is crossed, we're taken a trade and it went all the way up here, right? 530 from 515. So 15 rupees up on Dauber. So if you are not sure about this, right? If this is more on a lot of other information, at least you should take a trade here. 522, it went all the way to 530. 8 rupees up on stock. In the option, at least you will see 3-4 rupees. So hope this information will help you. So ping me in a group in case if you need any support, or if you are new, please WhatsApp to me on a 9494246220. We'll give you an access to this indicator. Will definitely help you to capture a lot of good trades. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.